Alrighty, so started fiddling around with a little bit more, and I've got this program. It's just a part that I'd done before just to use it as a test, and I'm going to start it. So you can see it goes down. It would have touched off here. Touched off again. And it's cutting like this. So you can follow it. And here's the G code, and you can do a feed rate override if you need to. I just sped it up. And that's going to cut that outer shell. See, it's basically doing what it's supposed to. There it is, program complete. So there's its first program. Now I've actually got to hook a plasma cutter up to that. I've still got to do my height sensor thing, I forget what it's called, and all that kind of stuff. But the table's assembled, appears to be working correctly. I think I'm going to call it a night.